Civil Aviation Minister shares updates on COVID-related medical supplies.
Total cargo load carried domestically was 940.29 tons. And I stand corrected. The total medical cargo brought from outside is 1928 tons. Medical supplies which were sent by us to foreign countries in our neighborhood and other parts of the world was in excess of 30 tons. Today, I think we are not only in a position to say that we have consolidated our position as the pharmacy of the world. We were already suppliers of generics. But in terms of COVID-related medication and equipment, we are also now major suppliers to other countries in the world.
Here are 4 important factors that need to be implemented to achieve our targeted growth.
One is business re-engineering. We keep talking about the new normal. I don't know what the new normal is going to be, but business re-engineering is going to be right on top of that list. Okay, the way we are doing business will undergo a change, and it will undergo a change for both in terms of time and speed. Second would be process simplification. The other one is automation. What's going to happen is that as in more developed and more mature cargo markets in the world, you are going to move from being a manpower-dominated warehouse to an automated warehouse. This doesn't mean that you're going to replace man by machine, but what you're going to do is effectively use manpower in other aspects of our business. If I were to sum up these points that I just mentioned, it would mean moving from paperless to contactless.
According to the Indian Ports Association, thermal and coking coal imports at major ports saw a drop of 25% to 55 million tons from April-September this year. Recently appointed as the president of Air Cargo Forum India, Cyrus Katgara firmly believes that the industry is ready for blockchain.
We are ready for blockchain. We have to be ready for blockchain because that is one of the end-to-end value adds which everyone will get in the chains. The exporters, the importers, banking, shipping lines, freight forwarders, all are going to be part of the blockchain, and it's going to happen faster than we think. It's already Maersk and other lines are doing a pilot project, but their project is concerning them. It has to be more based on an industry issue.